Black Bear Productions, out here camping in my own backyard with my daughter Akeisha. It's her birthday. She's 9 years old today, guys. A 9-year-old kid. She's growing up so fast. Got a nice little campfire going. She got a few birthday toys today. One of which is this little gun that she wanted to show off. Honky's kids. Her little crossbow. Oh, it jammed up, but then it still shot as soon as you pointed it upwards.
I think it's stuck again.
Little crossbow nerf gun. It's kind of cool. But we're just out camping in the backyard. Here's a teepee tent. There's my property fence line on my little 1 acre here. I got a decent little amount of woods going on. There's my house. 38-foot travel trailer. All right, this is end. Happy birthday, Keisha girls. It's a good day, huh? All right, Black Bear Productions out. This is just one of my early videos testing things out for my new YouTube channel. Try to help it grow a little bit. I got a lot more videos coming, so stay tuned, guys. Peace.